You don't need 50 outfits. I've said it before in this series and I will say it again. You only really need 10 to 15 pieces that work together but specifically work for you. I'm excited for today's episode. Today we are building your capsule wardrobe. And in today's video and in closing this series, I'll be gifting you a free tool to make it super easy. Hello stylish people, welcome to the grand finale of our Styling Basics series. I'm Monique, your stylist expert, and right here in episode 6 is where it all comes together. From personal style to wardrobe building, fit and layering, we are simplifying your style into a capsule that is chic, wearable and functional. Heavy on the wearable, actually wearable, because I can't have you out here in these streets looking crazy. Let's get into it. So, what's a capsule wardrobe and why is it worth having one? A capsule wardrobe is a curated selection of essential pieces that all mix and match seamlessly. Think of it like a small but mighty squad. Every single piece within that collection and capsule adds weight. Benefits of having one: helps you to make fewer decisions, makes daily styling easier, you'll have less clutter and more confidence. This isn't about minimalism, this is about clarity and ease. Style that fits your lifestyle. Okay, so let's build your capsule together. Here's how to structure a 15-piece capsule wardrobe. First up, we'll start with tops. You're going to want 5 of these, okay? So 2 neutral basics, a white tee or a button down, 2 styled tops, a blouse or fitted knit, 1 wild card that could be in print or some sort of pop of color. 2 bottoms. You'll want 3 of these. You'll be looking at a pair of jeans, either blue and or black. Tailored trousers. Black is a really good go-to. I have found a recent pair in a recent vlog. I will add it up here and down below if you want to have a watch. Skirt or shorts, depending on the climate. Onto layers. You'll want at least 3 of these. Now, first up, a blazer. Secondly, a light jacket or trench. And third, a knit or sweater. Dresses. You'll want to opt for an LBD, that's a little black dress or a slip dress, and a day dress or a shirt dress. And finally, into the category of shoes, you'll want 2 or 3, an everyday sneaker or flat shoe, a statement boot or heel, and an optional third. This can be a seasonal pick. Try and keep these in your color palette and make sure that every item works with at least 3 others. Now, me and you can sit here and talk all day about the tips and tricks, but I don't just want to talk about these tips and tricks, I want to be able to give you some examples. So I'm going to show you 5 examples using only pieces from this capsule that I just mentioned. This is the power of intentional wardrobe building. Every outfit is easy and every piece works hard. I feel like I've been saying this in quite a few of the videos in this series, but when I first started styling, you're in environments where it can be quite easy to become overwhelmed. And I feel like I had style, but I didn't have systems. And it was important to build systems, not just for me, but also for those who I was styling. Capsule wardrobes used as a foundation block gave me peace of mind, consistency, and confidence, because it helped make getting dressed so much easier, and it changed how I worked with clients as well. Now, this didn't mean turning a blind eye on some of those standout iconic pieces. We still need those. We still need those. Those fantastic prints, the bold colors, edginess, you know, that little extra something. But it gave me the building blocks that I needed in any given situation or event. Let me tell you, this approach saves you money and time, and still it still lets you express yourself and your vibe. So I've created a free mini capsule wardrobe planner to help you create your own capsule. It includes a checklist, your template, and outfit tracker, so you can start styling smarter, not harder. You can grab this now for free on my site. I will link it down below in the description box. If you do download it, please let me know how you get on with it, what you think of it, how you find it. Let me know down below in the comments, or feel free to message me on Instagram. DMs are open. My Instagram is also linked down below. I would honestly love to know how you get on. It is digital, but you can, if you want, print it out and use it as your own kind of mini course or booklet. I'm that kind of person. I will print something out and like do a little tick list. Makes me feel good. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me on this 6-week series. I really hope that by the end of today's episode, you feel more confident, more stylish, and very much more aligned with your own personal style and identity. And most importantly, I hope you've learned something new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your biggest breakthrough of this series in the comments. I'd love to read it. And if you want some personalized help with or building your style, wardrobe, etc., or anything to do with style in general, you can also hit the link below to my site for styling sessions with me. Congrats on completing Styling Basics 101. Thanks again so much for being here. Have a great week, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.